Fashion Month 2025 just wrapped up, and we witnessed some of the most jaw-dropping collections, unforgettable runway moments, and A-list front-row guests. From Paris to New York, this season was one for the books. Let's break down the standout shows, the hottest trends, and the celebrities who stole the spotlight. First up, let's talk about the designers who absolutely this season. Chanel stunned everyone with their elegant take on modern femininity. Think sheer organza dresses, pearl-encrusted coats, and structured tweed ensembles. Meanwhile, Balmain brought the drama with sculpted metallic corsets and futuristic leather trench coats that had everyone talking. And we can't forget Moment, when Gigi Hadid closed the Versace show in a sleek red silk gown with a dramatic thigh-high slit. The entire fashion world went. This will definitely be one of the most talked-about looks of the season. Now, let's talk trends. This season, we saw designers embracing feminine tailoring, bold sculptural silhouettes, and a return to romantic lace and sheer fabrics. Dior led the way with structured peplum blazers and delicate lace maxi skirts, while Alexander McQueen turned heads with edgy leather dresses and exaggerated puffed sleeves. What's out? Neon bodycon dresses. And what's in? Soft pastel cords and fluid satin slip dresses. If you're looking to refresh your wardrobe, is where you should start. Fashion Month isn't just about the runways, it's also about what's sitting front row. This season, we saw major names like Zendaya, Rose from Blackpink, and Timothée Chalamet serving absolute at the biggest shows. Zendaya turned heads at the Louis Vuitton show in a chocolate brown leather blazer dress with gold detailing, giving us major vintage vibes. Meanwhile, Rose from Blackpink was the definition of Parisian chic in a Saint Laurent black velvet off-shoulder gown paired with sleek pointed toe pumps. And we to talk about Timothée Chalamet, who made waves at Prada in a white oversized blazer with silk wide leg trousers, proving that men's fashion is just as exciting this season. Fashion Month 2025 was full of surprises, from groundbreaking collections to front row moments. But now I want to hear from which designer this season? What trend are you excited to try? Let's chat in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fashion breakdowns and insider style tips. See you in the next video.